My 6 daily skincare habits to maintain this glowing jello skin. First, double cleanse. I always go in with an oil-based cleanser first to break down all the dirt and makeup that I've accumulated throughout the day. I like to rub it around my nose to kind of melt off the blackheads, do my facial massages. As a second cleanser, I like to go in with a powder-based enzyme cleanser. These are really great to kind of gently remove the debris that has been built up. And I swear, after using a powder-based cleanser, it's going to leave your skin so baby soft. After cleansing, I like to go in with a wash-off mask. A wash-off mask can vary according to my skin needs. Sometimes I'll go in with something that's purifying, something more brightening. Sometimes I'll just go in with a classic one that is based with rice. Is something that I always like because my mom has always tried to make DIY rice masks at home. Because I'm lazy, I just like to go in with this, and this is going to help give you that like kind of triple cleanse. Then I like to always go in with my rice water toner. This is my best kept secret. It's something that's been handed down from my grandma, great grandma, just to treat and brighten your skin. Rice has the ability to gently exfoliate your skin and make your skin just like baby soft as well. So every time I make rice, I will save rice water so I can use it for my face and my hair, my body, everywhere. These are amazing. So I always like to either like wash my face with rice water and then also put on cotton pads, soak it in. And this is kind of my DIY sheet mask. Fifth, I like going in with facial massages whenever I can. Sometimes I'll use my hands, sometimes I'll use a gua sha, sometimes I'll use another tool, but facial massages, your facial muscles are meant to be moved. Move, laugh, activate those facial muscles with your fingers. I have a lot of facial videos on my channel that I love doing. And lastly, I rely on beauty tools. There's so much that your hands can do, but sometimes I like to go in with microcurrent and radio frequency to slow down the process of aging. I'm not saying aging is bad, but I want to look and feel the best at my own age. And that is why sometimes the gua sha, microcurrent, and radio frequency are boosters to help slow down the process of aging and look youthful.